Tackle the toughest job sites with the Tomahawk electric track cart, built for transporting materials over rough, muddy, or uneven ground. Start by unboxing the cart and removing all materials. First, attach the handlebars. Line each up with the holes at the back of the cart. Insert the 4 bolts, then tighten them down with washers and nuts. Next, install the caster wheels at the back of the cart. Line up the shaft of each wheel with the hole underneath. Insert a bolt through the wheel and into the bracket. Tighten each wheel with a washer and nut. Now, slide the rear support bar into place between the handlebars. Line up the holes, insert 4 bolts, and tighten them with washers and nuts. Next, mount the battery control box. Line it up with the support bar. Insert the top bolts through the holes into the back of the box. Then insert the bottom bolts through the shield and into the base of the box. Tighten all bolts with your wrench so the box is secure. Now install the U-shaped side rails. These help keep your materials from falling off. Line each rail up with the holes on the side of the cart and secure them using the hand-tightening knobs. Finally, connect the motor and battery cables to the base of the control box. Use zip ties to keep the wires neat and out of the way. Once everything is tight and secure, drop in a fully charged battery and flip the power switch to on. The directional lights show which way you're going. If the forward light is on, squeeze the throttle to move ahead. If the reverse light is on, the cart will back up. Press the brake button to stop. Use Eco mode to save power when the load's light, and switch to full power when you need the extra push. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk equipment, click subscribe today.